Thanks for watching the Tinstitute. Today I want to give a quick tip on how we sand our hard cards. Here at Quality we use Tri-Edge hard cards, and when they start to have any imperfection on them whatsoever, we come over here to the sanding bucket, and in here we've got water and a couple different courses of sandpaper. I start with the 800, so I just underneath the running water grip the hard card in between the sandpaper and just aggressively sand like this with 800 grit wet sandpaper. And I'd like to do it underneath the water first. And I'd like to do it underneath the water first. And I'd like to do it underneath the water first. And I'd like to do